A weapon of god of thunder, Thor. 8 grey, black and 1 stick. Now put this stick in it like this. After that, join it like this. Now roll black clay like this. Roll and make it long. That's all. Now wrap it like this. Very carefully. Mjolnir is ready. Look.